Hello guys, today I'm going to be teaching you two things. One is how you are going to correct the error you're having in your monetization page. The second error, which states that your fellow Facebook content, you follow Facebook content monetization policy. If your own have not ticked green, this video is for you. Second error I'm going to help you to solve. There are many people having this kind of error. People have been asking me, how can I clear the error messages I have in your alerts, which is under support inbox. So first of all, while you are having that error of monetization, which says you follow Facebook content monetization policy, why your own have not ticked green is there might be sometimes or many years ago or a few days ago where you've posted a picture post or video post which Facebook have flagged as an error, because Facebook try as much as they can to maintain family and friends and the community standard. That is their policy, whereby the video you are going to be posting, you make sure that there is no blood in it. It does not show harmful, demonstration, and many others. You can check it on Facebook. So if yours is having this second error, which you are going to be seeing on the screen, this video is for you. So what are you going to do? Pay attention and follow my steps. So what you are going to do first is open your browser. Don't use your Facebook app, because if you are going to use your Facebook app, you might be able to see the errors, but you cannot be able to delete those alerts. But following this video, you are going to get all of them correct. You are going to be able to detect the particular video or the particular post that is causing that error while you are not maintaining your content monetization policy, and also be able to clear those errors that you are going to be seeing there. So open your browser and type mbasic.facebook.com. Press enter. If you are using your phone, you can still type it on your browser. Open it. So this is an old Facebook page. So scroll down at the bottom. You are going to be seeing help. Click on the help. Scroll down again. You are going to see support inbox. Click on support inbox. So in your own, you will see a lot of errors depending on the one that is violating the Facebook content policy. So this is my own. I'm having one post here that is causing the error. So, but I have gone through my posts and I've deleted almost all of them. Even this one that is showing here, I've deleted it. But why I'm showing you this page is so that while I'm going through this process using this particular link, which you might be finding it difficult to understand, or why I'm using that link, is so that I can be able to delete this error alerts. Because if you use your normal Facebook app or your normal Facebook link, which is facebook.com, you can be able to know the particular video and you can go to your posts and delete them, but you can't be able to clear all these messages. So using this link, you can be able to clear these messages after everything. So when you come here, you are going to see all the videos or the posts that is making your monetization not following the Facebook content monetization policy. So when you see all of them, note them down, go back to your page, find those videos or those posts, delete them all. After deleting them, come back here and clear this alert so that you know that you are free. So I'm going to click on see full message, then I'm going to click this delete button. I'm going to click delete message. So now I don't have anything that is holding my page to tick green at that second stage of that in stream, because I'm showing you this thing from an in stream. So if you go now, you will see that your own will be ticked green If yours is not ticking green at this moment, just have patience. In few days, maybe 1 or 2 days, you are gonna see it ticked green. So if you like this video, kindly share, follow, and stay tuned.